I'm going to tell you about something truly remarkable. It's reminiscent of science fiction, really. Global Energy Transmission, or GET for short, has demonstrated and now scaled up the world's first electromagnetic flight. What this means is that you can literally fly forever. The GET system is a turnkey solution to allow the wireless charging over distance of a flying vehicle. It consists of two primary systems. One creates the wide area power hotspot, and we'll explain that in some detail. The other system is the receiving and quick charging antenna on the flying vehicle. Let's learn about how to make a power hotspot. I'm going to explain again here how the power is transformed into the signal which is generated to create the safe power hotspot, which creates a efficient charging cloud for us to charge the flying vehicles on the fly. We have a power supply. It can be a generator, or it can be utility provided power. In this case, 40, 50 kilowatts total power available. That is connected to a DC rectifier, and the rectifier supplies DC power then to the field generator, which creates the power cloud. That generator is stepped up with the transformer, and it's controlled with a capacitor bank and with a tunable inductor. Around the perimeter of the cloud and creating it inside the ring of wire and outside of the ring of wire is a wire loop with strands of special wire that is powered by the generator and creates the cloud to charge the vehicles above and below where the ring of wire is situated and outside the wire, so that you basically have the equivalent of a diameter radius, twice the radius, to create the size of the cloud, depending on how big of a wire transmission antenna you create, and about a radius up and below from that, which creates a zone within which you can have 80% efficient transfer of the power to the electric vehicle to recharge it. What we're looking at here is the next generation GET drone assembly, which has added some specific capabilities to a traditional drone. We have a ring antenna. It's a special type of wire. It's lightweight. The total assembly adds only a few hundred grams to the mass of the traditional drone. There are important components in addition to the antenna here, the ring antenna, that collects the power. And they include the rapid, quick charging new battery package, which can cycle many times and charges far faster than existing drone battery systems. This allows us to charge in a matter of minute or minutes the use of power between hotspots, as a drone may travel between a hotspot for charging and an area where it's using its battery reserve. For the purpose of our development activity, we have a meter where we can see the draw on the battery in the middle here, the voltage of the battery, and the charging level. So when this is flying, you will see this go up to show the charging is happening. There will be no drain on the battery, which means it's flying with no drain. And in fact, the charging current is filling up the battery so that it's fully charged.